On the border of the Mark Twain National Forest in the Missouri Ozarks, you'll find Fernsby. Here, where the light filters gently through the canopy, lies a creek crossing. It's a place of serene beauty and hidden wonders. Amidst the babbling waters and moss-laden stone, life abounds. It is at these crossings that nature's intricate tapestry is most vividly displayed, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the creatures that dwell within. From the graceful approach of a deer to the stealthy rustlings of smaller mammals hidden in the underbrush, the creek crossing is a vital lifeline for wildlife. It's a place where one can witness the profound interplay of the natural world in all its splendid diversity. Meet the Bobcat, Lynx rufus, a solitary and elusive predator. This magnificent creature is perfectly adapted to its environment, blending seamlessly into the forest landscape. The presence of bobcats help maintain ecological balance. By regulating the population of herbivores, they ensure the forest remains healthy and vibrant. But the bobcat's role extends beyond hunting. It is a part of the food chain, providing sustenance for scavengers and contributing to the nutrient cycle. Ever the opportunist, the bobcat springs into action. With lethal precision, she seizes upon the moment and pounces. Yet, success is far from guaranteed. In the wild, even this master of ambush only succeeds in 1 out of every 5 attempts. The margin between feast and famine is razor thin. It's a testament to the delicate balance of survival at the creek crossing.